Hello guys! Sa video na ito, malalaman ninyo kung bakit maganda ang Atapol. Magbabasa ako ng mga customer reviews kung saan malalaman ninyo kung bakit ang Atapol ay isa sa mga pinakamagagandang survey platforms na meron. So tara guys! Ratings and reviews. Ratings and reviews are verified and are from people who use the same type of device that you use. So dito makita ninyo na ang ratings ay 4.8. Karamihan sa mga taong naggagamit ng Atapol ay nagbigay ng 5 na score sa Atapol. Merong 4, merong 3, merong 2 at merong 1. At ang bilang ng mga tao na nagbigay ng ratings ay 394,025. So marami na rin ang nagbigay ng ratings. Tapos sinabi dito na users are saying users appreciate the fast payouts and low withdrawal minimum. Many appreciate the app legitimacy, initial account creation is easy, and customer service is helpful. However, some dislike survey disqualifications, inconsistent game tracking, disabled accounts, and pending payments. Sabi dito na sinamarize ito ng AI. So, possible na tama ito or meron ding pagkakamali. So, let's go to the first review by Angel. So, binigay ni Angel ang 5 stars sa Atapol noong August 6, 2026. Sabi niya, it's legit. So, legit daw yung Atapol. And it actually has good paying surveys for the time spent on them. Of course, you'll still get disqualified a lot. So, hindi nangangako yung Atapol na lagi kang pasok dun sa mga surveys na binibigay nila. Kasi possible na ma-screen out ka or ma-disqualify ka based dun sa mga demographics mo. Overall, I really like this app. Plus, the games and tasks are also fun and sometimes don't require a lot of effort. Definitely one of the better apps of this kind. And payout is instant to PayPal. So, pag nag-cash out ka through PayPal, instant daw yung makukuha mo yung pera. With the $3 minimum, $3 yung minimum na makukuha mo. And I highly recommend it. Next is from Dev Chauhan. Nagbigay din siya ng 5 stars noong August 18, 2026. Sabi niya, 5 stars, great app for earning some extra money in your free time. So extra money lang daw yung binibigay ng Atapol. Hindi siya nagagaranti na magbibigay siya sa ng malaking amount, pero nakakatulong na rin yung extra money. The surveys are interesting and the payments are good. So, nai-interest siya dun sa mga surveys kasi nakakatulong din siya sa mga brands. I especially like that being consistent and giving genuine answers can lead to more survey opportunities. So, kapag nagbigay ka daw ng mga honest answers or consistent answers, magbibigay sa iyo ang Atapol ng maraming surveys. The payout process has also been smooth for me. So wala siyang naging problema sa pagka-cash out. Overall, a really nice survey app. From Erica Mason, she gave 5 stars on August 20, 2026. I am impressed with Atapol's clean interface and easy to use survey list. So, napansin niya yung interface tsaka yung survey list. Each survey is listed between 1 and 5 stars in quality. So, mapapansin nyo dun sa Atapol na nililist siya according to quality 1 to 5. And chances of screening out. So, yung makikita mo rin doon yung chances ng ma-screen out ka based on 1 to 5. The host of the survey and the total time of the survey, if taken, is also listed. The sign-up process was rapid and I was taking survey almost immediately. So, mabilis lang yung pag-sign up mo. You can choose to end a survey if the content is not appealing. So you can quit the survey if you do not want to continue the survey. Maglalagay ka lang ng tag na lost interest or survey is broken. The cash out threshold is low at $2.50. So dito siguro taga Philippines siya kasi yung minimum na payout sa PayPal is 150 pesos. So if you convert that to dollars, it can be $2.50, which can be met easily. You can use PayPal and other methods to cash out. So pwede kang mag-cash out through PayPal. According to Abhinav KS, who gave 5 stars on August 8, 2026, I will say it as the best survey app for earning some pocket money. So, the same, pocket money lang siya, hindi siya guarantee na malaki yung money na makuha mo. The one thing I really like about this app is their customer support. So, yung customer support, talagang nagre-reply siya. Kasi, for example, nagkaroon ka ng problema sa survey na hindi ka na-compensate or bigla ka na-kick out, magbibigay sila ng reward sa'yo, ng bonus. Kasi, hindi sila basta-basta nagliliban lang sa inyo ng survey na hindi nagbigay sila ng reward. So, keep going. Ito naman si Maleha Ibrahim, nagbigay din ng 5 stars noong August 24, 2026. Filipino siya. Akala ko hindi legit to since dumaan lang sa feed ko. So hindi niya alam na legit siya nung una. I try it if this is legit. But tama nga, legit siya guys. You can try especially for student who need pambaon lang. So nalaman niya na legit nga. Tapos, sinasabi niya na pwede to sa mga students, lalo na pag kailangan nila ng pambaon. So, yung mga students dyan, you can try using this Atapol para makapagkaroon kayo ng pambaon. So, there you go guys. Masasabi nga natin na maganda ang Atapol as a survey platform. So, kung may mga comments kayo or questions, you can write them below. And sa mga susunod na survey earning platforms na videos na i-upload ko, panoorin nyo. At sa mga videos and shorts na i-upload ko, sana ay bigyan nyo ng pansin at mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Yun lang guys. Bye!